Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family, and my friends? Here, Excellent Dreams, back with another video. And today, what I want to show y'all is pretty much how I design my files to save you guys space. So here we have this design, this Aquarius Queen design here. Alright? And with that Aquarius Queen design, let me just show you the power of this design first. So I highlight the design, I go to my mockup tabs, I do simulation, simulate the stones, women's, and let's just put it on scoop neck front, like so. Alright, there we have the design. Let's move the shirt up a tad bit. Alright, there we have it. The Aquarius Queen design. Now, with this design, the way that it's designed is it's created for vinyl and rhinestone. So with vinyl, of course, you can change the color. Let's just, alright, so if I group this red together on the outside of Aquarius and on the outside of Queen, now if I take and group those objects together, now I can change the color of them. Let's change the color of the shirt to, let's say, this pink here, this pretty pink. So now let's change the color of the outline. So first, let me get rid of the inside here, part here, like so. Get rid of this inside part and get rid of this inside part, since rhinestones cannot sit on top of vinyl. Alright. Now for this Aquarius Queen, for the parts that's actually fitting the symbol, let's go ahead and group those objects together as well and go ahead and turn them white. And now I'll probably change these to black. So there we have it, the Aquarius Queen. Now, okay, I shouldn't have got rid of. So that's the rhinestone design, and of course, as you know, you can use pretty much any color rhinestone. And the way it's designed is you can actually split it up as much as you want to. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 color stones, or you can make the Aquarius one color, the outline to the Aquarius one color, the outline to the Queen another color, or you can also do mock-ups. We don't need to simulate the stones on this one. Because what we're going to do is get rid of the stones. And you can also use this same design without the rhinestones and just glitter. So I added the parts for the inside of these areas so that you can create whatever design you want to, whether it's rhinestones, glitter, reflective, puff vinyl, holographic. You know, the possibilities are endless with just one design. So the designs are not just rhinestone designs. They are designs that will allow you to create a multitude of shirts, different colors, different styles. You know, you can mix up glitter with rhinestones. You know, you name it. The possibilities are pretty much endless. You know what I mean? So let's grab this shirt and move it over here, down here with this one, the other mock-up we created. Put those two mock-ups side by side to show you. Now I no longer need this page. Alright, here we have it. So one with rhinestones, one without. So the possibilities are endless, folks. Pretty, truly endless. Alright. Now let's go back. Tool. Alright, so the way that I do it is, here's the actual design. So I break it up into the different colors, of course. So you have the outline here, and then you have the inside part here. So with that being said, I could easily, you know, just save it like this, which will give you your outline to place your colors into. Place the outline part to place the inside parts into. So you would essentially cut this out and then press this part into the shirt first, which will give you your outline. And then these parts here, whether you wanted that to be pink and then that to be purple, you know, that to be pink, and that, oh well, that part is all together. So let's, if I break this curve apart here, and then let me go into my wireframe. Let's trim that out of there. Click on that one and let's trim that out of there. Now, if we wanted this to be pink and this to be purple, then we can do that, you know. Then of course you would cut out just the purples by themselves, right? But to save space, you will want to drag this part up to there. That way you're saving your vinyl, you know what I mean? And then you'll cut this part out. And once you cut this part out, you will basically layer it. You know what I'm saying? Instead of instead of cutting all of this out at once, maybe you didn't want to cut all that out at once. So each part I broke up for you. Sure enough, you can have it all one color, cut it all out at once, and then use that to pretty much you know, would definitely line up with it, you know, and it'll go inside like so, you know. And then you would take these parts over here and then you would press them on top as well, like so. Alright? So that's why I pretty much break up my files, and when you receive it, of course you will have the guideline which will show you how it looks when you put it together, but this part will be up here with that to save you on vinyl. You know what I mean? So I hope that's been pretty helpful. I wasted a lot of vinyl, wasted a ton of vinyl when I first got started. I was cutting out images like this, and all of that in the middle was pretty much wasted vinyl, you know. So what I would do is I would pick one part, like this part right here. It's all together. I would, if I wanted all of that to be the exact same color, then I would, let me show you. Alright, so when I did this, of course you can see the reds were different than, so all I would have to do is drag this over here, highlight all of that, and hit center. Boom. Now it's centered, and now it's black. So I will cut this. This will be the only part that I cut out all at once. You know, I will cut out that entire sheet of vinyl and press that onto the shirt as my guideline to adding in my separate pieces. You know, because this may be yellow and this may be pink. I hope I'm not confusing anyone. Hope it's making sense, you know. Because maybe, you know, you didn't want it all one color and you wanted it to be multiple colors. So let's break this curve apart too. Now, as you can see, you can make that one color. Then go with another color. When you bring them all together, there it is, folks. There they all are together. All together. Alright. Now for the rhinestone part, I would have it broken up as such. To where when you cut the stones out, the stones will be together like so. Gives you enough room to cut to brush in stones for the Aquarius if you want that one color, and enough room to brush in stones for the Queen. As you can see, it's 10.854 by 7.652. Rhinestone flock is only 12 inches, so the max that I cut out is 11.5 inches, which gives me those room for the rollers on the side. Alright, so if you're getting any value out of today's video, please smash that like button. Please smash that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, so Yeah, if you want to purchase this Aquarius Queen design so that you can create your own rhinestone template and make as many shirts as you would like to, please check the link in the description below, which will take you to my Etsy shop where you can download this file, upload it to your Cricut or your Silhouette, and cut this design out. And I'm out.